Hello, in this video I will show you how to download the font and install it in Ubuntu system. So here I have a fonts website from Google. I want to install this one, or I can navigate and search for an awesome one. It can be this one. I will download family. In the downloads folder I will find the folder. This one I will extract, shift 2, and we make a folder name it with the same name, handjet. Okay, skip. Folder doesn't be created, so I will create handjet. So good. I will put this file in this folder over here. Now we have this folder in applications. For now there is no handjet. No. To install it we will sudo copy from downloads and handjet, and we'll copy all the folder into user share fonts. And that's all. We can see content, and here we have a folder called handjet. Of course we can't use it because LibreOffice has started before we install this new font. So just restart LibreOffice and we load the new list. Okay, and we can look for handjet. Okay, this is, and I will test it. Hello. We'll make it 300. That's it. So here we how to install new fonts in Ubuntu. Just an enhancement, we can move, it's better, we can move the folder from user share. I will go to the user share fonts. Now I can simply move folder called handjet into true type small, but can true type. So it's here because this folder contains true type fonts, which is all files with TTF extension. That's all.